How's it going, guys? Stas here. Welcome back to another video. And am I freaking dreaming today, guys? It's a green day. Holy smokes. SoFi's up over 5%, and we have every index except for the stubborn Dow Jones in the green. The S&P's up 0.6%. The Russell's up 0.1%, so honestly not much green in the Russell, but QQQ is up 1.5% as the VIX is down almost 8%. So we're going to break down SoFi. We're going to go over the indexes as well, maybe some other stocks later if we have time. But first, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more content, that is, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. What are you waiting for? Use that link down below. The clock's ticking. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Get on it. Use that link down below, or again, go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive into it. So SoFi is moving and grooving today, up over 5% on the day, up 55 cents, and this rally looks pretty strong. I mean, look, we ran to $12.20 after we got the CPI data, which came in better than expected. We covered that in my first video today. So we hit $12.20. Then we sold off at open for a little bit from $12.05-ish down to about $11.50, and look at what happened. Buyers came in. We held this trend on the intraday, and we're rallying off of that point, right? We're now seeing a golden cross on the intraday. We're above this 180 moving average. This is not looking so bad on the intraday, guys. And again, it's a green day, which I can't remember the last time SoFi's had a decent green day like this. You know, we have a golden cross on the 5-day 5-minute right here. We're now up about $1.50 off the lows from, I think this was Friday after the bell, or Monday. Yeah, Monday, it hit about 10:30, so now we're up about 14% off that low. And on the 30-minute chart, we're trying to break out as well. We're not fully there yet, obviously, guys, but we are noticing a pop over both moving averages here. At least we did get over them in the morning momentarily. Then we dumped under them on that, early morning pull down at open. Now we're starting to break back over there, guys. So momentum could slowly start to build up here. It's trying to, at least, and I'm going to set my alert at $12.50. Let me do this right now. Mark is at or above, and I might as well do another one at $13, as if those levels start to break, I think SoFi will really start to gain momentum in the short term, especially if the overall stock market starts to reverse and starts to, see some green days in a row. It's going to be an interesting next couple of days, to say the least. Is this rally today in QQQ and SPY, is it legit? Or is it a bull trap? We're going to find out. And a lot of that, of course, is going to influence what SoFi is going to do in the short term. So all eyes are on SPY and QQQ and the VIX, which, by the way, the volatility index is now down over 7%. So we're not fully breaking out yet, but we're showing some signs of it's starting to move. We're back over the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour. This is the 1-hour, for the first time since, it looks like, about a week ago. So that's a good sign. We're starting to see that. And we're also getting a bullish divergence. Do you guys see this clear-cut bullish divergence on the 1-hour chart? RSI strengthening as the stock was, making lower lows, lower highs. That's a good sign. Bullish divergence is, potentially showing or pointing to more upside in the near term here. That's a good sign there. And on the 4-hour chart, the reality is we're not breaking out yet. We're still under the 50. We're still under the 180 SMAs. My alerts are set pretty much right at the breakout spot at the 50 SMA, $12.50, $13 a share. If that's able to break, guys, again, that's where we could get a short-term rally to 14, 15 bucks, and that is where the real moment of truth would be, right? Do we break the 180 SMA being at 1450? Do we start pushing out of there? Time will tell. But I think in the meantime, we might be able to catch a short-term trade in this window right here. And of course, I'm in this as a long-term investment. You guys know that, but I'm eyeing it up in my trading account as well here. Keeping my eyes peeled again on SPY and QQQ, which if I pull these up right now and let's pop up, let's say the 30-minute chart on SPY, we can see this also is getting rejected at the 180 SMA. That spot needs to break in the short term, and QQQ is seeing similar price action. You guys see on this 30-minute, we hit the 180 SMA this morning. We hit it just about 10, 20 minutes ago. We got rejected. That spot needs to break. So I'm going to set some alerts. I'll put one here at $480. And as I'm doing this, guys, make sure to join my free email list. I send out my top stocks weekly for free. Did I mention? It's free. Use that link down below. Put your first name, your email address. So $480, I put my alert there. I'll put another one at $483 per share. Let's do that. Mark is at or above here on QQQ. And on SPY, let's pop this thing back up. We're now up around 0.6%. I want to see it break out of ideally 565 in the short term. I'll do that alert, and I'll do another one at $570 per share. These are some key levels for SPY to break, and if they do break, again, a bigger reversal could be coming. So pretty nice green day, considering, you know, all the red we've seen, all the volatility we've seen. I'll take it. SoFi is up 5%. Stocks like Tesla, although I don't own it, I'm not planning on buying it right now either, maybe if it comes lower, but stocks like Tesla are moving today. We're up over 7.5%. Nvidia, which I own, you guys all know that. This is up 6.3%, big move, and those calls I bought recently are finally starting to move again. I'm loving that. So big moves in a couple of stocks here, guys. We have Netflix making a nice move for a large cap, a mega large cap here, or mega cap, whatever you want to call it, or is, I guess Netflix, yeah, I guess it is a mega cap. I forget the market cap on this thing anyway. But either way, Netflix looks really good on this chart. If we get a breakout, let's say above 930, 940, maybe we'd start playing in this window right here. It could make up for a nice swing trade and an overall market recovery scenario, right? Same with Meta. We covered this before. I like the chart here. If we break 630, 640 on Meta, this could really start to move. Top of this channel, really start to break out. So I like the way that thing is looking, that stock. And I mean, there's a lot of green. Microsoft's up 1%. Google's up 1.2%. Amazon, which I bought more of a couple days ago, that's up 1.2%. And the list goes on. Not bad. Not bad of a day. Not too shabby, if you ask me, guys. So that's it for this video. I don't want to go too crazy on this one. We'll do a bunch of other updates in the coming days and later today, so make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subs here on YouTube, guys, and don't forget to get your 30 stocks for Moo. The deal's running out in 2 weeks. Use that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. I'm telling you guys, it's a no-brainer. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.